कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं।
Manya Sharma, and I'm the co-founder of Eklavya You Belong. We started Eklavya on 17th of August 2014, which is last year. We started this organization because we thought that the right to education was, although admitting more students, giving them free education, there were more enrollments, but I believe that the quality of education has gone down, because when we came to these kids in 7th standard, 8th standard could not count, and that's where we thought that I think this is an issue that we should take up, and hence we came together and started Eklavya You Belong. Ever since, it has been going great. We gave Eklavya the name of Eklavya because of the story of Mahabharata, where Dronacharya did not entertain Eklavya as his student because he was from a lower caste, and that is why I think we were doing the same thing, and that is why we thought we should actually take up the name of Eklavya for this particular cause. The results that we are observing ever since we started Eklavya has been exceptionally great. Not only do we teach these kids, we learn a lot from them. For them, chocolate is a very, very, very big treat. And when we go to their houses, they are ready to share their treat with you. So I think we all knew about how sharing works, but I don't think the way these kids share things, I don't think anybody can share the love and care and your only treat for that whole month with somebody. I think I would never be able to do that until I met these kids. So yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी,
how we work is we divide these students while taking admissions. We divide them into 3 levels. We give them a test paper. We evaluate those test paper, and accordingly we get to know how much they already know. So we divide them into 3 levels, which is elementary, intermediate and advanced. The elementary level, because they do not even know the basics, we work on strengthening their basics. The intermediate level have the basics but do not have a very good knowledge about the basic topics. So we teach them those basic topics in length, while the advanced students are pretty good with all their concepts and stuff. So we aim at increasing their knowledge. We follow a 21-day learning pattern. It is believed that kids, if they learn the same topic for 21 days, they will never forget. Hence, we take up one topic. For example, the last month's topic was seasons. We took up that topic and we taught seasons according to English, maths, science, geography, etc. So we taught them that in geography we taught them how northern India is always more colder than the southern India, and how southern India has more rainfall, etc. and scientific aspects of how the weather changes. And we make our own syllabus. So we have a integrated team which makes syllabus for our kids here. And these kids, we have about 180 kids, and all these kids go to school. However, we found out that it wasn't. I'm sorry.
से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं।
Hi, I'm Prajakta Ratte. I'm working with the Eklavya since a month, and the subjects usually I teach over is math, science and value education. So basically the students need to know about the calculations, the exchange and buying things about math and values. You really know it's very important about the culture and the festivals you should teach them. So basically I teach this subjects over here. Okay.
आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी।
My name is Priya Santosh Kalvi. मैं एकलव्य से बहुत अच्छी आदतें भी सीखी हूँ। मुझे बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स भी एग्ज़ाम में बहुत आए, मेरे मैथ्स में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आए और इंग्लिश में भी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आए और मुझे लाइफ में टीचर एंड डांसर बनना।
मेरा नाम पीयूष मिश्रा है। मैं एकलव्य में पढ़ता हूँ और मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता था, मुझे थोड़ा भी इंग्लिश नहीं आता था। मैं आया इंग्लिश में, मैं एकलव्य में आया, फिर मुझे इंग्लिश आने लगा, फिर मैं इसमें साइंस मैथ जो मुझे सब नहीं आता था मुझे यहाँ पर सब आने लगा। फिर मैं सोचा कि काश मैं और भी पढ़ाई करूँ। फिर मैंने मैथ्स लिया, फिर मैं उसमें पढ़ाई किया, लेकिन मैं फेल हो गया। मैं फिर लेना चाहता हूँ। मैं इसके लिए मैं फिर भी एकलव्य में जब तक मैं पढ़ूँगा तब तक मैं एकलव्य में पढ़ूँगा। मैं पायलट बनना चाहता हूँ।
कुछ भी गुजरे ऐसे।
आप जब से आप लोगों का क्लास चालू हुआ ना तब से हमारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ने लगे, अच्छे से बात करने लगे। अच्छा, आपका उधर शॉपिंग में आए थे, बहुत अच्छा लगा। उधर भी आप लोग गरीब बच्चों के लिए इतना करते हो, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
इंग्लिश भी अच्छा है। इंग्लिश भी अच्छा है।
हाँ, इंग्लिश भी अच्छा है, बात भी अच्छे करते हैं, अच्छा संस्कार भी मिले उनको। हम तो पहले बहुत मस्ती करते थे, अभी मस्ती विस्ती नहीं करते। अच्छा, अच्छे से पढ़ाते हो आप।
The kids have accepted us as their family, and so they actually learn from us more than they learn from their parents, because their parents are usually busy. Last year, the kids that we had, they were so impressed by the methods that we were teaching, that about 80 kids got hundreds of their friends, and now we have 180 students with us. Every month after 21 days of teaching, the last week of the month is for evaluation. Every time we evaluate them, we see that the kids who had come knowing nothing now know their concepts really well, and accordingly we keep promoting them from level 1 to level 2 to level 3 and so on. The kids in the 7th standard who did not know ABCD now know the spelling of apple, A for apple, B for ball. Not only that, they learned counting and they can now multiply, add, subtract, etc. They are doing pretty well in school also, although we do not cover up the academic topics, but they are doing extremely well in school, and that's what their parents have told us. Looking at our work on Facebook, a lot of donors came forward and gave us amazing ideas of giving them bags. They celebrate their birthdays with us by not going for a traditional dinner with friends. They'd rather come, cut a cake here and distribute some sweets here with our kids. We supply them with all the essential stationery We help them in getting into scholarships, elementary and intermediate art exams, because we believe that these kids are really talented. We also focus a lot on extracurricular activities like arts and crafts and dance and self-defense and stuff like that. So these kids not only learn the academics that they should have learned in school, but they also are brushed up in their extracurricular activities, which motivates them to come here and learn more.
ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से